Hello.
Good afternoon, I'm Mike calling from You Will Listen to What I Have to Say Services Limited.
Hi, I'm Darren Stokes and welcome to my Skillshare course on creative video editing. I'm offering you 21 years of industry experience condensed into lessons of my creative editing basics, including a few creative practices that I use pretty much on every project. Having worked in many fast-paced environments, these staples of my editing process help to get you started, giving you quick and effective results.
Silence!
Knowing an editing application inside out doesn't guarantee being creative. Those newfound skills need to be applied with the basics, and this is where my course will help you.
That's a great idea.
Good creative editing is about getting across information to the viewer in a clear and preferably entertaining manner. If you can do this, it'll be memorable. The lessons range from basic project management to organising your material for being creative, creating an edit structure, and prepping music, superimposition, on and off beat editing, when and what transitions to use, script writing, using voiceover, mixing and creating audio design and using graphics, plus a few more.
This is for your benefit, man.
This course is for anyone with basic editing knowledge and beyond. I've simplified where I can, and I'll explain on a working timeline with tips and tricks, real-world examples from my past projects, and of course inspiring, well-known examples from TV and movies.
Fun for everyone.
So, if you're up for it,